Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by joining the meeting. Enter the meeting ID and passcode, then choose Join. Once done, grant camera and microphone permission so Zoom can access them. Make sure to test audio with the built-in test speaker and microphone tool. Adjust levels until your voice is clear. If possible, plug into Ethernet or move to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to reduce lag. Close cloud backups and streaming apps to free bandwidth. This prevents freezes and keeps your video crisp. You now control the meeting flow. Mute yourself when not speaking and unmute with a quick keystroke to avoid background noise. When sharing, select the specific window to limit distractions and check the Share Computer sound box if you play media. Use breakout rooms to split participants for focused work and assign a co-host to handle admittance or technical issues. Keep the chat open for links and questions, and use reactions for quick nonverbal feedback. This keeps the session organized and inclusive. You finish by summarizing action items and stating who will follow up, then stop recording and save the file if you recorded. Once done, click End Meeting for all or leave meeting to hand control to a host. If someone drops or experiences audio/video failure, ask them to toggle mute or camera off/on, and then restart the Zoom app. Switching to phone audio or another device often restores connection quickly. One tip: if problems persist, relaunch the meeting with a new ID to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.